In this tutorial, I'll show you how to export Figma files for CMYK printing so your designs are better prepared for professional print projects. Start by opening the Figma file you want to prepare for print. Since Figma works in RGB color mode by default, you'll need a plugin to convert your design for CMYK printing. Click on the Actions menu and open Plugins and Widgets. In the search bar, search for a plugin such as Print for Figma CMYK and open it. If this is your first time using the plugin, install it and follow the setup instructions provided by the plugin. Once the plugin is open, select the frame or design you want to export. Choose the CMYK export option and review any available print settings, such as resolution, bleed, or export format. After confirming your settings, click Export to generate a print-ready file. Save the exported file to your computer and review it before sending it to a print provider. Keep in mind that colors may appear slightly different when converted from RGB to CMYK, so it's always a good idea to test print important designs before final production. And that's it. You've successfully exported your Figma design for CMYK printing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.